Hello, I'm Fuma. I'm going to walk you through installing the Twitch VRChat interaction system. First thing, make sure your Unity is updated, your VRChat SDK is updated, and that you have VRC Fury installed into your system. This can be done through the VRChat Creative Companion. There's links to the website to install VRC Fury within the package and on the download. Now, when you import the Twitch VRChat interaction package, you'll have a new directory called Fuma, and there, Twitch Interaction. Click it and you'll see all this stuff. What you really need to worry about right now is just a directory called Avatar Stuff. You click it and you'll see something called Twitch Interaction. It might be a little square on your screen, but it's a little object. We'll drag it to our scene, and then you'll drag into your avatar. Now, you'll have a little arrow. Expand the arrow, and there'll be an object called Buffer Particles Move to Head Height. You'll see a little arrow up here. Move it to your head height, and you're done. That's it. The old system had a lot of work around with merging and all that one. VRC Fury manages it all for us. So that's all you have to do on the Unity side. Is upload, and there you go. Make sure you enable OSC in the game. And if you ever have an issue where you upload and it works for a while, but then it stops working after you update your avatar, just go into your OSC config inside the game and do reset config. That handles most things. Rare cases you have to upload to a new ID, but don't worry about that now. Just reset your config in game if it ever stops working suddenly, and that's it. Now let's move to the bot. Now as part of the download, I'll give a directory to a GitHub. The bot has been updated by my friend Killers. It's now a full UI. We're going to download that, and I'm going to double click it to install. Now, it being a self-published Windows program, you'll pop this little window saying, hey, we don't know what's going on with this app. It's okay. We're not going to spend $10,000 for a Windows license. We're just going to do run, and it should start loading up the program. All right, we have the bot loaded, and the first thing you'll see is this screen. Now, if you see there's a new version available, just click that and download the new version. It will auto-update and get everything done. You also see a little Discord button here. Join your Discord and share tips and tricks and any troubleshooting. We're happy to assist you. Again, this new bot has been created by my friend Killers. It's a full UI. It should be much easier to set up than the old one. And it can also work with VRChat, Resonate, and hopefully other future programs out there. It'll expand over time. Now, what we want to do is go to View, this Twitch integration, and we need to have the bot listen to your Twitch chat. So like any other Twitch bot, it needs to grab the API key. This is not your Steam key. This is the key that allows it to listen to chat. So I'm going to log in. It should pop up a little window. Hey, we're going to let Twitch access this bot. To activate, and then go to authorize, allow, done. There. The bot's now going to listen to chat, and it should bring right up. Now, by default, it's not going to have anything here. What we need to do is to load all the old data for all the bits and configs and commands and rewards and all that fun stuff. I give you a template. I'm going to do it two different ways. I'm going to do one way where you can just go to your directory, go to storage, Twitch integration, and in the Twitch interaction package, I have a little bot config. You can just drag and drop this config file over the one provided. But let's do it a little different way. You might have an existing configuration file from a prior bot or someone else is helping you set this up. Let's do it in a more consistent way. So go into the config file that you're using. Again, you can use the one provided here under, again, Fuma, Twitch Interactions, bot config. I'm going to double click it. And we're going to copy all this one and paste it in the bot. So I'm going to do select all, copy, that's my clipboard. I'll go back to the bot and go to import config. It's going to bring up a little box here. I'm going to control V, pasting the data in, and go to import. And you'll see all the data here. This is the default template to use. It should go in working right out of the box. If you want to set up your rewards now, you can go to Edit, and it should detect what rewards you've already set up. And you can assign that reward ID to individual rewards here. Everything from the previous one should be available, and any customizations you have should be available. Just remember to double check the assignment. You can test the button just to test it in game. Remember some things like Ragdoll, these are part of a paid package by VR Labs. I give you the setup for it because it's a little bit difficult to initiate, but Again, it's all right here, and there's going to be instructions how to install the Ragdoll system in the download. But again, it should work right out of the box for you. As it loads in game, you can see its logs as to what's detecting, handshake with your chat, reward systems. Again, just have fun with it, play with it, edit commands. You can change what variable it sends in chat. Sorry, VRChat. What values it gives. You can have it run any parameter on your avatar, output changes. You can have it do movements, things like that. Just whatever you want to do, have fun with it. Again, share your examples. We have a Discord here. Share it on Twitter. Again, if you have any technical difficulty, just let us know. We're here and happy to help you. Again, have fun. Yay!